hello there. I wish you have a profitable week. In this video we are going to show trading less and accurately is the best choice that you will ever made. You will have less stress and a clear mind to manage properly your trades and make the right decision. First setup is EURNZD. We start analyzing from higher to lower time frames as usual. Check higher time frames, don't miss the bigger picture. We start by marking support and resistance zones. We noticed that price is touching an important support level and is consolidating there. What we do in this situation? We shift to the lower time frames for chart or harmonic pattern in order to find an accurate entry, and increasing the chances of a winning trade. On 2-hour time frame we have a flattened bottom triangle pattern. We are waiting for break and retest to enter a trade. We are measuring potential target. This setup could offer us a 2 risk-reward trade if we are using a conservative stop-loss. Or higher risk-reward if we use more tighter stop-loss. Trade reached potential target perfectly.
If you want to join Premium Channel, contact us on Instagram for more details.
Next setup was British Pound Canadian Dollar. We do the same process starting to analyze from daily time frame. We highlight support and resistance level. We have the same opposite scenario with previous setup, here instead price is touching a resistance level. Then we shift on lower time frame to find chart or harmonic patterns. On 4-hour time frame we see that length of price impulses is minimizing. We are measuring those impulses in order to find an AB equals CD pattern. We see that price extended above the D point. In this case we look for potential alternative 1.27 AB equals CD pattern. And we see that price rejected perfectly this level. Again we did another measurement of smaller impulses of CD leg to have more and more bias about bearish scenario. Price is forming another AB equals CD pattern. We are marking the potential reversal zone of this pattern and correlate almost perfectly with the alternative pattern. A conservative stop-loss in this setup is suggested above the potential reversal zone. Target 1 should be B level. Quick remember of potential target of a B equals CD pattern. Price reached target 1 with 1.6 risk-reward. We can have a better risk-reward if we put our stop-loss just about higher high candle as normally do. But in this case I prefer to put the stop-loss in a reasonable level, a safer one.
Make sure to like and subscribe, this encourages us to make more helpful videos in the future.
Next setup was New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. We shared this pair on free Telegram channel 2 weeks ago. Let me remind you about our last analysis. Technical analysis. New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. Weekly time frame. We are drawing a major trend line and see that price touched very precisely for 3 times. We are drawing a major support level too. If we try to connect all lower high, we have another trend line, a secondary one, and price is touching it again. On daily time frame, we are drawing a support level. When we zoom closely we have a doji candlestick, waiting for next candle to close bearish in order to validate this candlestick pattern. There is a chance that price will continue in upside direction and reach our major trend line. We also have a AB equals CD completion in this zone. But we expect that sellers will push the price in downside direction in this level that we are right now, at 0.873. On 4-hour time frame, we have an AB equals CD pattern completed. And price tested all potential reversal zone. Price reached the potential reversal zone of this pattern. We shift on lower time frames to look for chart patterns. Price created an head and shoulder pattern. The structure wasn't very regular but is a valid one. We are waiting for breakout and retest for sell trades. Price retested and rejected the neckline, but then made another pullback more deeper. Bearish scenario remains in game. Another type of entry should be based on AB equals CD pattern on daily and stop loss above potential reversal zone PRZ.